Record it. Screen record it. Record it then. Alright, for the people them will say, I come out come this cartel because I never carry me a Grammy. Wanna fool your fuck. Cartel can't stop me from going Grammy. Kartel can't stop me from going Grammy. You know why I never reach a Grammy? Because I chat too much. I go tell Nuffy say me did a go Grammy. And Nuffy call Addy and tell Addy. And you see the people them where I deal with my work permit and everything. Addy call the people them and tell them don't buy no ticket. Anyway, me call Addy the same day when me dey go foreign. That I was there, yeah. And tell him say me I go voice a song with Aishana Rick Ross studio. Me tell him say me I voice the song the Thursday and then video it Friday. Zin? Hold on no man, you know listen. You know no listen. You know bumbleclad listen. So, I call him the Thursday when me I go foreign and tell him say me I go foreign go voice a song with Aishana. Anyway, I tell him say me I voice the song Thursday and then video it Friday. I tell him say me I go video the song Friday. Anyway, I tell him say me need help with the bit with it. Him say I send him somebody who I trust PayPal. I'm send him Aishana PayPal. Anyway, I say when I land in Florida, I call him. Rascal, land in Florida. And I call the pussy. I call him till a week. The pussy no answer. I text him. The pussy read the text and no answer. Anyway, me leave the airport and go straight to Rick Ross studio. When me left and go foreign at $300 me did have US. And I book 4-hour Rick Ross studio. See? Because Rick Ross know me and know say me a go in studio. Them give them have food, everything. Me even get a special buckler belly here, the one with the light. Anyway, I write the song for me and Aisha and I will voice it in a 2 hours. Remember, 4 hours my book, you know. A good thing say a 2 hours me write the song and voice it in a. So I could have paid them the $200. Anyway, still a call Addy, still a message him. Pussy hole nah answer the pussy hole I seen the message. Anyway, the video shoot was the Friday. So you know say me still get ready for my video shoot. When the director linked me I explain to him what go on. Because the director is a director who shoot video for Nicki Minaj and them people. So when I explain to the director what go on, you know what the director said to me? The director said your boss set you up to fail. And that lit my chip. When him say your boss set you up to fail. Anyway, the director pay for rent the studio when me shoot the video with Aishana with. And me draw 650 US out of my account for pay makeup Shan for do me and Aishana makeup. Anyway, the video shoot was successful. Video bad and everything. The song name Free and Happy. So, from my birthday, me no fuck him back, you know. Every day I beg my pussy and true me no want give him up in him feelings. Anyway, video shoot and everything. Them everywhere me start go, everywhere me go, my card, my bank card start decline. And me I say where the blood clot is because me never draw the money from my account for pay the director. Rascal. Everywhere me go, the backyard start decline to a blood clot. And me sure me have millions in it. Cause I him same one give me the millions were in the account, you know. But when me did that though, me I use the millions, invest in my career, cause him nah do nothing. Him nah do nothing for my career. Him breach the contract. Nothing him nah do for my career. Everything wanna see me I do, and me I do it. It nah have nothing to do with him. So the money when him give me, since him come from prison, I take it and invest it back in my career. So that's why the song not drop with me and Aishana yet. Because him no want send on the money as a manager or label for me get for do the song. Treat him free and happy, and him no want me free and blood clot happy. And true me not give him a pussy feelings in my career. Yeah. Yeah, since you no want know what I want. It not have nothing to do with see them because me love him but me not in love with him. I love him but I am not in love with him. So now you know. Now you know I open a screen record this. I open a screen record this. Yeah man, suck on mama now. What is under my nose? I'm out.